voice search. So voice search is a feature of the Google platform in general. It's a Google search, a voice search, and there are two parts of it. One part is the standard part of Google search is that you tap on the record icon, which is actually in a number of places on the operating system. It's on the home screen. It's on the default home screen. Every time you do a search, it's on most of the keyboards, and we'll get to keyboards later on in this presentation. But there are a number of different ways you can activate voice search. But you tap on the microphone button, and the device starts listening, and then it takes the audio and then sends it to the Google's servers if you're connected to the internet, or you can download on your Android device an offline version that will process on the device itself, so you don't need to be connected to Wi-Fi or to some sort of network to be able to use this. And it interprets your text and then allows you to not only search the internet, but it also allows you to issue commands to the device itself. So in this particular screenshot, I asked for it to open the Android setting, the default settings. And what you're seeing here is you're seeing the settings, and then there's a small toolbar. It gives you some time, and it counts down. So if you do nothing, it will actually launch the settings. It gives you the time, though, if you want to do something else, that you can reissue another search. So it doesn't automatically shoot you to settings in case you didn't want to go there or misinterpreted what you were saying. So there are some built-in fail-safes to reduce user frustration and to increase accurateness of the interpretation engine. So I like voice search, very well developed software. One of the problems with voice search in general when it comes to people with impairments, particularly if you have a language impairment or speech impediment, is that voice search isn't very accurate. Even for me, I don't think I have a speech impediment, but when I use other technologies, voice searches, they're just horrible. They just hate me. They never get what I want. Like, I don't know if I have a slur or what's going on, but it just never gets the results that I want. The other thing that, and with Google's voice search, it's very accurate, very, very accurate. It seems to always get what I want, or if it doesn't, it gives me a bunch of alternatives that I might not have thought of. It's not magic. There are times when it gets it wrong, but because it can go up to a big server and because it's constantly getting updated, the voice technology is getting better and better and better. Now, there's some other underlying technology. You can also give Google permission to start compiling information around your voice so that it gets better, particularly with your voice. That is good for not only people with speech impediments, it gets more accurate, but also people with strong accents or who are using a second language. Potentially, you get better search results out of this. Again, not perfect. It's getting closer to the dream of living, talk to the device, and it does magic for you.